Okay, so in today's tutorial we are going to be going over how to use the type mask tool. So to begin with, basically what this is going to do is we are going to put a pattern on our text. So to begin with, we're going to go find a pattern on Google. So just go to Google search and click images, and I'm going to type in tiger pattern. You can type in whatever you want. And then come over here to the side, and under any size click large, because you want to have the largest photo that you can. And then just choose one that you like. I'm going to click this one and open it up as big as it will let you open it. So then you can make your browser a little bit smaller here, and then all you have to do is click and drag this over to your desktop. So now you should have it on your desktop. If that doesn't work, you can right click and go to save image as and save it to your desktop. On a Mac, that would be control click and do that. So now that you have your image, we are going to open that up in Photoshop. So go to File, Open, choose your desktop, and we're going to come down here and find the photo. So here is my photo. So the first thing you'll notice is you probably got this on top. So and your black arrow tool is probably selected. So we are going to go to this little black arrow next to the type tool and come down here, and you can choose either horizontal type mask or vertical type mask. It doesn't matter, it just depends on which direction you want your type to go. So I'm going to choose horizontal type mask. And for this to work, all you have to do is click and hold and drag and to make a box, just like we did with our text. Now you'll notice that your image goes red. That's not going to be on your image, that's just showing you that you have your type mask tool on. So I'm going to just begin typing. So now that you have something typed, you can select it by hitting Control A or Apple A on a Mac. And you can come up here to your type menu and you can change your font. I'm going to choose this. And for this to work, you want it to be something that's a pretty large font and pretty easy to read. And then also you can change your size of your font. I'm going to leave mine at 72. So now I'm going to deselect this. So I'm just going to come over here, grab my black arrow tool so that deselects. So now you see that we have these little marching ants all around our words. So I'm going to make a new canvas, and I'm just going to go to File, New, and just OK the default. So you can see that these two panels are linked. You can't look at them both at the same time. This happens in CS5. It may happen in CS4. The way to change this is go to the one that's got your text on it and click this tab and drag it down, and it will allow you to move it. So now that you have both panels in view, make sure that your black arrow tool is selected, and come over here and grab somewhere in your text, and you'll see the little scissors come up on there, and then just drag it over onto the new canvas. And as you can see, we have text that has that pattern on it. This canvas isn't quite large enough for it, but you can go in and change the size of your canvas. Go to Image, Canvas Size, and we'll change it, say, to a 12 inch by 12 inch. And now you can see it holds all of our text. Just pull it over and adjust it some. So that's basically it for today's tutorial. Let us know if you want to learn anything else.